This conference will now be recorded.
All right, Salafi, good morning. Last session we seen why JavaScript. Why JavaScript? What you can do by using JavaScript. Interactions, validations, gaming applications, mobile application, desktop applications. So inka graphical and visualization applications. So we can create this type of applications by using JavaScript. Hey, finally, by using JavaScript, we can create end-to-end applications, back-end applications, front-end application, mobile application, desktop application, everything we can create by using one JavaScript programming language. This is not possible with every other programming languages. One and only possible programming language is what? JavaScript. Mobile application, desktop application, web application, ఇంకా desktop applications, all we can create by using JavaScript. Gaming applications, especially the possibility of JavaScript is this. Okay, right. Now, I'm writing the basic structure of HTML. Watch it carefully. Save the file first of all. I think yesterday I created one folder, JavaScript. Let me save the file. Welcome dot. What is the extension of JavaScript file? JS. Welcome.js. But I'm creating a file welcome.html. What file I'm creating? .html file I'm creating. I'm not creating .js file. I will tell you how to create .js file and where we have to save it. I will tell you in a minute. So first let me create what? HTML file. Okay, let us write the basic structure of HTML. Basic structure of HTML. Okay, sorry. What it is going to be? What document this is? HTML or JavaScript? HTML or JavaScript? HTML. What is the extension of the file? .html. Remember, because of writing hello JavaScript, it won't become JavaScript document. What document this is? HTML document. I want to run this file. How do I run the file? Normally, go to the file, click on the fourth option, open in default viewer. Yeah, you are getting the output like this. Hello JavaScript. Yes, sir. Right. We are getting something called hello JavaScript. Good. So I'm done. How can we add CSS to a HTML document? How can we add CSS to an HTML document? What document this is? HTML document. To this I want to add CSS. How I can add CSS? You know, we have two ways. One is by using style tag open, style tag close. Otherwise, you can use a link tag also. Na? Link relation equal to style sheet, href is equal to something you will write it. Do you remember what it is? How can we add styles to an HTML document? Question, interview question. What is the answer? By using style tag or link tag. Okay, right. Now my question. How can we add JavaScript to an HTML document? Using script tag. This is the tag now we are going to talk about. As of now, we didn't use this tag. As of now, we used a style link only. We used it for HTML, CSS purpose. We used it. So question is what? How can we add JavaScript into an HTML document? Write the question. How can we add JavaScript to an HTML document. What is the answer? By using script tag. How can we add JavaScript to an HTML document? By using script tag. Understand? By using script tag. Okay. Script tag I added where? In head section. Script tag we can add in body section also. Okay, right. But style and link always you have to add in head section only. But script tag possibility either in head section, either in body section. Anywhere we can add it. We can add script tag inside body section, or we can add head section. Write one note point here. Note. Note. We can add the script tag inside head section or body section. Body section. Anywhere we can add. How many times I can add script? One time or two times or 10 times? N number of times you can add. There is no limitation. For example, write the point here. We can add script tag inside head section or body section anywhere. N number of times you can add. It's not, there is no limit. But every script should open, should close properly. Script tag should open, should close properly. Okay, right. Let me show you here a way. Go to the file. Yeah. This is the script now. Now like this we can add n number of times. Like this also we can add n number of times. There is no limitation. How many times you want to open, you want to close, but very important thing, open close is very important. After that you can do n number of times. Okay. Right now I'm not doing this. Yeah. Simply this is the way of adding script inside an HTML document. Either in head section, either in body section. My question, sir, when can I add the script in head section? What is the situation? What is the situation to add me the script inside the body? When to add script in the head? When to add script in the body? Interview question. If what is the situation? What situation demands you to add script in head section? To add script in body section? So anybody? That to body, before closing body, always you will see lot of script tags just before closing body. Of course you can add anywhere in the body, you can add anywhere in the body, but most of the scripts you will see just before closing body tag only we will see them. Before closing body tag only we will see them, right? So head section, when to add, body section, when to add. What is the necessity of adding script in the body and a script in the head section? Write one point. If we want to execute some logic before loading the document, what is the document? HTML document. Before loading the whole document, if you want to execute some logic before loading the HTML document, then add that script inside head tag, head section. Right, same point I'm copying. If interview they ask you, you have to answer like this. If you want to execute some logic after document complete load, after document Completely loaded. Completely loaded body. If you want to execute some logic after the document completely loaded, then add that script inside the body section. Okay, done. That is the situation. But we should know why many of the people are adding script in the head section, why in the body section. That is the situation. After page loading, I want to implement a slider. After page loading, I want to open a pop-up. After loading only, not before loading. Such a logic always you'll write in the body section, right? Such a logic you won't write in the body section. Okay, right. Okay. This is a JavaScript, guys. Here you will write the JavaScript code. So what it is going to be? JavaScript code goes here. Okay, right. Tell me one thing. CSS, you know, right? Three types of styles are there: inline, internal, external. What are the styles? Inline, internal, external. Like in JavaScript, do we have internal JavaScript? Do we have external JavaScript? Do we have inline JavaScript? Like CSS. In CSS, you know inline. How to write inline? By using style attribute. How to write internal? By using style tag. How can you write external CSS? By using link tag. Here also, inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Like way, internal JavaScript, inline JavaScript, external JavaScript. Right. I told you, I asked you one thing. Sir, how can we save the file? And you told me .js file. Remember, .js files are always saved with the JS file. They are called external JS files actually. External JS files are always saved with the .js extension. Once a .js file is created, the JS file we have to link into HTML document. CSS file you created. After creating the CSS file, where you are linking that file? Inside HTML by using link tag. Same way, .js files also we can link like this. See, this is a way of linking external JS file. 1 minute, don't write it. Script src. What is this is going to be? Source of the JS folder slash some welcome JS or validation JS, something validations.js or animation.js, like this. It may be like this, animations.js. It may be lot of functionalities, lot of interactions we can write inside every JS file. So, but remember, this JS file should be created. Then only we can link it. Try to see. So now I try to link it. If you can run this file, can you see? You will have an error in the console. We have error in the console. What is the error you are getting? Can you see? Error, fail to load the resource. Error, file not found. What is the file not found? Animation.js were not found. Why? Because you are trying to add a JS file, but it is not created yet. Likewise, you see, I am going for link CSS file relation equal to what? Something href is equal to, I am writing CSS folder slash some styles.css I written. Now you will see one more error you are having. What is the one more error? You see, animation.js is not found. Of course, you remove this because this error is coming, that is not showing that. If you can go for it, this is also not give. It is giving. Hey, inside this, do you have that file? I don't know. We have the file. Let's write 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. Now I am refreshing the page. You have to get that error because that file is not available now. Maybe I have to write style sheet also. Write the style sheet also. Maybe now it will be show you. Yeah, you see what is the error you are getting? Style.css error, file not found. So what we are doing, we are linking external style document that is not available, and we are linking external JS that is also not available. If you are getting an error like this, you can understand that file is not created yet. So how do I create the file? Remember carefully. I am creating a separate. Sorry, I don't save the file. Animations.js. That's all I written. Inside what I have to write? HTML header and script. All we need to write, nothing required to write inside. Don't write in CSS file, external .css file, or writing HTML head body in .css file. No, HTML head body always in HTML only CSS file. CSS, write the CSS properties in JS file. Also you write only JS code. You are not going to write any other head body script. Doesn't require some JS code. I am writing some message called alert. Alert is one of the predefined method in JavaScript. I am writing welcome to JavaScript. This is what predefined method in JavaScript. Now if we can refresh the page, now can we see, are you getting this? No, you are not getting. Why are you not getting? Animations.js is a file, and this is a file where they are all saved. Oh, they are not saved in JS folder. They are saved directly inside the location. So there is no JS folder. File is saved in directly to HTML. If you can refresh, you are getting alert. See, welcome to JavaScript. That is what external. That is called alert. Alert means what? Informational messages. For example, you are submitting a form without entering the form data. On submit, it will show you alert. Please enter username, please enter password. This is called alerting. It is alerting you. So by saying that, you have to fill the form data, then only you can proceed to server, like this guys. Okay, right. So this is going to be animation.js. Remember carefully, this is a HTML file. This is a animations.js file. Not only animation, take any name. So you see, they are all available in the desktop location, JavaScript folder I created. You see, this is JS file. This is your HTML file. This is what? JS file. Can you see the difference also? File difference? Yeah. The file difference. How they are differentiated. They're all different, na? This is going to be, I don't know how to see the icon with the large icon, medium icons, large icons. Yeah, you see the difference? What is the difference you are able to observe? This is .html file. This is .js file. You see, JS file. So welcome animations.js. This is what? Welcome.html. If you can see something called browser icon, that is always called HTML. This is going to be by saying the JS file. This JS file, we need to link into this document. How do I link? By using src tag. Both are in the same location. Remember, this and this both are in the same location. So we will do this. Right? Both are in the same location only. That's why we are linking the file like this. How we are linking the file? This way we are linking. If they are in a separate folder, then you have to write like this. So if it is a CSS file, how do you did the CSS file? CSS folder dot style.css, you did like this, right? So right now they are in the same location, right? So this JavaScript is called what? This is going to be external JavaScript. Welcome to. Let us write something called external JavaScript. Which is external means what? Which is written outside. But we are linking into our HTML document. Now you see, all of you. So this is what now I'm going to write an alert. Here also I'm writing an alert. Alert is a predefined method in JavaScript. So this is going to be internal JavaScript. I'm writing this. So if I can run the file, which one will execute it first? External. Welcome to external JavaScript. I'm closing this. Then what is alert you are getting? Internal JavaScript. JavaScript you can write in separate file. Either you can write in. But if it is in a HTML file, remember carefully. If you won't write this in HTML file, very important thing, you have to write in the script tag only because you are in .html file. But what it is going to be, this is external JS file. In external JS file, some people will think, what they will think, they will write the script tag, script open, script close, they will write like this. Don't write like this. It is an external JS. Inside a .js file, you should have JS code only. There is no HTML tags. Inside .css file, there should be CSS code only. There should no HTML tags. Remember carefully, this is what? External JavaScript. Inside you cannot write like this. Only the JavaScript statement only we have to write it. So we will show you later after some time. For example, If you want to define one function, I am writing one function called greeting is a function. In this greeting function, I am writing one message. How to write the message? Document dot write. Don't worry, I'm just showing you greeting. So how do I call this? Already this is linked here. If this is linked, we don't want to do anything. You can call the function. What is the function we are having? Greeting. Yeah, greeting function you can call like this. Now you see, if I can refresh the browser, you will get the data. Now you can refresh. Now you're getting hello JavaScript. Where this is coming from? I think this is not coming from there, right? So 1 minute, please. So where is my HTML code? Right, this is coming here. Greeting. What is the function you define? Wait, greeting. Yeah, greeting is a function. I'm calling document write of greeting. This alert is also fine. I'm writing this. Why are you not getting this output? Animations.js. Okay, but let us run the file again. I don't know what is the problem. Why are you not getting output? I'm refreshing the page now. You're getting alert na. Welcome to external. After that, you see you're getting greeting na. You're getting this right. That is, so this is available in HTML. This is available in JavaScript. And remember, this alert is also coming from where? JavaScript file. And this is going to be also from JavaScript file. This is also from HTML file. Okay, right. So this is a way of creating external JS files and way of linking them into the HTML document, right? You can write, this is a way of creating function. Later we will talk about it. Don't worry. Right now, for our understanding, I written this message. So this function is available where? Inside external. Now this, see, I can call this function n number of times if you want. Now you see, I call the function 10 times around, 8 times around. Now you see that many times this is also calling greeting, 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 also calling na. But function is created in a separate file so that that is going to be reusable. Internal CSS reusable, external CSS reusable, external CSS. See, in our HTML and CSS layout, what we did, we created style.css file. We link the same style document in every about page, contact page, index page, everywhere we link it the same. Na. Always remember, external CSS or external JS files are going to be more and more reusable in the application development. Always in application development, most of the cases you will write external CSS and external JavaScripts only. But if the external means they are writing outside, if they are writing outside, how can I link them? By using script tag. Script is a tag. By using this tag, we can link into our HTML document. Okay, right. And once it is linked, and we can call it, we can call the things like this. This is also a valid way of creating something, guys. Okay, right. So now, okay, fine, I'm not writing anything. Okay, now this is going to be simply write like this. So what JavaScript this is, tell me. This JavaScript is what? External. What this JavaScript is going to be? Internal JavaScript. Sir, can I call the same thing inside body section? Yeah, I'm trying to call the same in body section. Is it okay? Yeah, why not? Let us refresh the page now. You see. So alert is coming. After that alert, you're getting the message. Earlier, where this is before hello JavaScript. Now after JavaScript. Why? Because that is the difference of head and body. Head always executes before the body. So body, if you can write after body execution complete, then only this script is going to be executed. Okay, now, right, guys. This is the concept of head and body. Okay, right. What JavaScript this is? Internal JavaScript. What it is going to be? External JavaScript. Can anybody tell me how to write inline JavaScript? For example, if it is a CSS code, normally, okay, how do I write inline CSS for it? Ante, you know very well, by using style is equal to, you're writing color colon red. So then obviously the color is going to be red. What is this is going to be? CSS. Like this, I won't write this. How do I write the JavaScript code? I'm writing h1 open, h1 close, hello Java, something already there, na? Hello, hello Ram, something I written. Now I want to write external Java, internal JavaScript, inline JavaScript. How do I write inline JavaScript? By using script, script, script is equal to, can I write alert? Like this, I'm writing. Can I do like this? I'm ready. I'm doing this. If I load the page, are you getting? Welcome to JavaScript. Are you getting in this alert? No, you're not getting the alert, na? Inline CSS is available, but inline JavaScript is available or not available? Sorry, inline JavaScript can we write? Interview question. Answer is what? Yes or no? Na? Yes, aithe how? No, aithe why? See, the questions are what? You cannot escape, right? Hypothetical question this is. If you say yes, how? Show me. If you don't know, if you say no, why? Why it is not possible? I will ask you the question like this. You cannot escape, na? For any answer, there is a question again for you. We can write. How can we write? Answer is what? Yes. But this is possible with the help of events. This is possible with the help of event. You have to say yes, sir. If you say yes, they will ask you how. How it is possible to show me? With the help of events we can write. Let me write one event, small event. On click is what? An event in JavaScript. Don't worry, just I written on click. I'm writing alert here. Let us see now if I can go and check this now. Okay, this alert is coming from external. Okay, you click on this hello ROM. You see you are getting empty alert now. Empty alert you are getting now. Right. So events. Inline JavaScript we can write based on the events only. Without events it is not possible. We can write inline JavaScript with the help of events. Answer is that is right. Okay, write one more point here. How can we write internal JavaScript in an HTML document? Internal JavaScript. Write the question. How can we write internal JavaScript? Answer by using using script tag. One more question. How can we write external JavaScript? External JavaScript in HTML document. Script with SRC. Script SRC. Write the same thing. Path to JS. Script close. Inline JavaScript. How can you write inline JavaScript in an HTML element? By using events. Answer is events. That's all. By using events, JavaScript events. In JavaScript, we have an important concept called events. Okay, right. By using events, we can do this. Then, 3 questions, write the same. Right. This is all about writing JavaScript in an HTML document. Fine. Variables in JavaScript side heading. Variables in JavaScript. what is a variable? Maybe all of you computer science students, right? Tell me, what is a variable? What data? Any type of data in the sense? That's what you have to say. You are saying data. What is a variable? A variable is a container. Inside it, we can save some data. Hmm? So how many data I can save? How much data I can save? Based on the definition, based on the type, they have their differentiation. No worries about it. Okay. Simply says container means what? Like a box. Your mother prepared a sweet candies or whatever it may be, they will put into one container. What is that is called? ఏమంటారు మీ దాంట్లో మీ ఇంట్లో వెజల్ నథింగ్ బట్ వెజల్ సో మా ఇంట్లో అయితే స్టీల్ బాక్స్ అంటారు they call steel box, right? Inside the steel box, how much I can save? For example, they make laddu. How many laddus I can save in that container? 30 lads, 30 or 40, and based on the container size only we can save it now. I have a small container, inside I can save 20. You have a very big container, can save 100 laddus inside of it. What is the variable called? Variable is laddu equal to 50. Okay, what are you doing? That is you see the definition what you told. What is a variable? I asked you. You are saying that a variable is a container where we can save some value or data. Data means nothing but value. Say value like 10, no, 20, 30, 40 is a value na. Hi, hello, how are you are called values. Adi string value na, numerical value, maybe float value na, maybe double value, maybe string or array or object, anything. But we are saving some value inside a container. So this is common in every programming language. Why should I save the value inside a variable? Why are you keeping laddus in the box? Why are you not throwing outside? Why are you not keeping on the wall? We have a wall in your home, na? I prepared the all laddus. I want to keep on the wall. Is it okay? By the evening, no laddus on the wall. Somebody will pick the laddu, all the laddus. Why are you keeping inside a container? Cheppandi. Okay. You are protecting the laddus. Yes, sir? So definitely you are saving somewhere. If you are not saving somewhere, what will be happen? What will be happen? There is no security. Somebody can take that value. Somebody may take that values, all the values. I want to carry all the laddus from one place to another place. You are traveling to Hyderabad. Your mother or father, maybe they cook very nice food for you on the travel to have. After going hostel also to have the boxes. You carry the boxes, maybe, I think, from your hometown, right? Finally, understand the concept. Variable. So in a box, I have 100 laddus, 100 sweets, whatever it may be. Okay, na? Right. Always 100 sweets are fixed. But a value may change, a value may increase. There may be a possibility, right? You are daily having some laddus. Then what is going to happen? The quantity will decrease, na? Quantity will decrease. Sometimes you are getting more laddus again. Now you are adding more laddus. Then quantity may be increased also. I mean, in the box you have a lot of sweets. The quantity of the sweet may increase, may decrease. May increase or may decrease. See the word. May decrease, may increase. Yes or not, right? Where are you saving? Inside a box, inside a container. I have a round container in my home. So my mother sent me lot of sweets to me. So there are around 120 sweets are there. Daily we are having something. The value will be reduced. Again my mother sent some more sweets. My quantity is increased. Is that not right? My quantity is increased. What are you saving? You are saying that there is a variable. Inside a variable, what we can save? Some value. That value may increase, may decrease based on the situation. think a best example, you have a bank account. In the bank account you have money. What are you doing? You are saving. Bank account is what? A container for you. In that container, what are you doing? You are saving money. The money may increase, may decrease. Yes, sir. Money may increase the value. Right now I have 10,000. Right, maybe tomorrow, to a day after tomorrow salary, almost all it will increase 100 times, or not 100 times, 10 times, right? Somewhere around. See how the value is incrementing, how the value is decrementing. After one day, second day, by 10th, all my money will decrease it to 20 rupees or 20, 30 rupees maybe. Yes or not, right? See how the values are increasing, how the values are decreasing. So I mean, there is one fixed amount. That fixed amount is changing and something. I mean, what I want to tell you, remember carefully. Variable means what? It's a container where we can save some value. Why should I save some value? To reuse. Why are you keeping this something in the box and to reuse? Why are you saving money in the bank and to reuse? Whenever you need, wherever you need. I have deposited some money in Hyderabad. Can I access this money in my hometown? Yes, I can access, right? Where are you saving the money? In Hyderabad. But you are trying to access the money in some other location. What is the meaning of it? Globally, we can access wherever you want. Na? Global. The word you see, global. Where is your account? In Hyderabad. But where are you accessing the money? Somewhere around in India, you are accessing the money. Yes or not, right? So, what is a variable if you want to say? A variable is always used to save some value. Right? Write the point here. What's a variable? A variable is nothing but hmm, a variable is nothing but a container to save some value or data. Some value or data. What is a value? Number or string or integer or anything. So don't think. Data means what? Number or string, integer, anything. Right? Don't think. So a variable is nothing but a container to save some value. Okay, right? To save some value or data. Why should I save the value inside a variable? Inside a variable. Answer? Very good. To reuse the value. To reuse the value inside the program, wherever you want. Inside the program, you're writing a program, 20 lines program. Inside you need some value which is going to be reusable. Then how I make the value reusable? This way you can make the value to reusable. Okay, now, right. A variable is nothing but container to save some value or data. Why should I save the value inside a variable? To reuse in the program. See, this definition is common in every programming language. Go to Java, .NET, Python, PHP, wherever you go, there is a concept called variable. Why we are using variables in JavaScript? Why they are using variables in Java and .NET? Same reason, same purpose. Purpose is same, reason is the same. Why they are using? Why we are using? Reason is same, purpose is same. They are also save some data to reuse, and we are also save some data to reuse. Only difference is what? Syntactical differences only. Declaring variables in Java is different. Declaring variables in JavaScript is different. Declaring variables in C language is different. Declaring variables in JavaScript is different. Only thing is what? Purpose is same. Purpose of the variable is the same in any programming, including databases also we have variables. Wherever you go, variable means what? Saving some value. Why should I save some value? To reuse whenever you need, wherever you need. Why are you saving money? To reuse in your future purposes. Yes or not, right? In your future purpose. The value of the money may increase, may decrease. Yes or not, right? The value of the money may increase, may decrease. So like this is going to be same concept called variable. What is the variable? Wherever you go, C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, PHP, Ruby, Salesforce, ServiceNow, anywhere you go, variable means this is. Wherever you go, purpose of the variable is same. Only difference is what? Syntactical difference of declaring variables only. Okay, now? Right. Now, declaring variables. How can I declare the variables? By using var or let or const keywords. Const keywords, we can define the, we can declare the variables. We can declare the variables. Declare the variables. Like some examples. Try to see where x is equal to 100, where username equal to something called strings, means always you have to keep in double quotes and any programming language double quote or single quote, where age is equal to 25. Not only where, you can use let keyword also. Let city is equal to Hyderabad. I will tell you the differences of let where const later. Just how syntaxes you write it. Hyderabad. Let status is equal to a boolean value called true. Like this also we can say const, const some value. Price is equal to, I'm writing 25. Const some pin code is equal to, numbers are not required and they, so don't worry about it. Numbers are not required, just write like this. Right, this is how variables. You can use any one of the keyword here, let or where you can use, but there are some differences. I will tell you later when to use let, when to use where and const, what is the purpose of them, that we will see. But right now, declaring variables. Declaring variables. Okay, now, right. Yeah, guys, can you see now here? Tell me anybody what it is, declared, defined. This is called declaration. This is called definition. What is the meaning of it? Somebody will say variable is defined. Some people will say variable is just declared. What is the meaning of declared? What is the meaning of defined? If there is any value assigned to it, that is called defined. No value, that is called declared. Declaration, variable declaration. This is going to be variable is defined. Don't get confused. Variable is declared here. Defined means there should be some value we have to assign to it. That is called definition. Variable is defined. Variable is declared. Don't get confused. If you want to write it also, declared. Here it is going to be defined. Assigning a value is called what? Definition. Just where y is called declared. No value, declared. Value, declaration, defined. Are you done? Right. So let's go for the file and let me show you one example. Copy the code. Let me paste here. I'm writing variables.html. File is always .html. Inside HTML, we will write the JavaScript code. So let us remove this. Let's remove this also. I'm removing this also. Right now, can you see? This is our HTML document. Yeah? Right. Here I'm writing either in body, either in head section. You write anywhere, no problem. Let us see. Where x is equal to 100 is a variable declaration. Okay. How can I print the variable? Printing a variable in JavaScript, in C language. How do you print something? In C language, how do you print something? Printing data. So printing data or printing variables. Variables or statements or anything, or statements. Statements means strings or anything. How do I print the data? In C language, printf. In Java, system.out.println. .NET, Python, print. PHP, echo. And they have their own programming languages. They have their own statements for printing. Like in JavaScript, we have one method. Document dot write is a method. Document dot write. Document is an object. Write is a method. But don't worry, we will talk about this later. What is object, what is method? But write this. Document dot write, in the parentheses, you write the value. What is the value you want to print? Yeah, print something. Print something. You can print something. So now you go and check this now. Let me go and see. Document dot write is a statement. By using this statement, we can print the data on the JavaScript browser window. JavaScript browser window. Let's come to the file. Yeah, I have a variable. I have a message also where some username equal to, I'm taking something like this. Okay, right? Where some city is equal to, I'm writing something called Hyderabad, something I written. Okay, right? How do I print them? Document dot write is a method. Inside the method, I am writing hello world. Let me check it. Let me check the hello world. If you can run the file, are you getting the hello world? Yeah, you are getting the hello world. You are getting. You want to make it bold, and you can write tags also here. Like this, we can write tags also. In document, right? We can do like this also. And obviously, how this will be, if we can refresh, that will be also bold. Okay, we can write any tags inside the document, right? No problem. Okay, right. Sir, now I want to print the value username. Again, I am going for it. Document dot write write. Inside the write, I just want to print the variable. How do I print the variable? Username. This is a variable username, na? If I refresh the page, what is the output? You are getting username itself. Remember, this is a string. It will consider as a string. If it is a variable, don't write double quotes. Don't write double quotes. Not required for variables. Now you try to see this. Now this will be works. This is working now. So if it is a variable, we don't want add double quotes or single quote. But if it is a string, we can print like this. If it is a plain string, we will do this. If it is a variable, directly we can write. Of course, we can write comma separated x comma. What is the thing? City. Like this also we can print comma separated values also. We can print. Now you see all the three values are printed. Rama 100. Hyderabad is printed, right? They're all printed. Like this also we can do. Of course, you want to have some space here. Again, I'm writing some space because they all look like attached together now, right? That's why I'm writing some space here. Now you see space is also printed. There is some gap between the values. Okay, inside a document, right, we can print multiple values. We can print multiple values. We can print by comma separating. Many of the people knows only one value here. They knows only one value. They'll always write again one more document, right? One more, like this they will write it. Okay, of course we can write either that way, either this way also we can write. For example, you won't write x, you won't write city. Of course we can do like this also. Three statements also we can do. But what is the output now? Same output now. Why should I write the same way? Why can't we write this way also? Yeah, we can write this way also now. But this is also valid. Of course, all in one line also we can write x comma, and this is going to be city. Now you see there is no difference between that and this. either this way, either that way also we can write it, guys. Okay, right. For printing, this is this is the statement. Sorry, we can do one more thing also. For printing purpose, this is JavaScript comment. This is what multi-line comment in JavaScript. If you can write something in comment, this is not going to be executed. This is multi. If you want to comment this, this is called what? Single line comment. And what it is going to be called? This is going to be called multi-line comment. This is called multi-line comment. This is going to be single line comment. I mean, if you can keep something in comments, you know that that is not going to be executed or compiled. It's not going to be executed or compiled. Okay, right. We can use alert also. Alert username. I'm writing alert username. Now, what is the output if I can refresh the page? Now, you see, in the alert you are getting Rama, and after closing this, where is the output? No, I want to see output on the browser window, not on the air. Alert means what? It will give you a pop-up. It will show you something. After closing pop-up, it will go off, right? So no, I want to see the output on the browser window. Then what you will do? Document write. If you can write it, then output will become on the screen. Now you see output is coming on the screen like this. Okay, if you want to print on the screen, document write. Just show an informational message ante you can use alert. Anyone you can use. Anyone you can use here for printing the output right now. Right now, for printing output, what are we using? Document writer. But in the real time, you will never use document write. There is another way that I will tell you later. Right now, for printing output, you use document write only. Right now, for printing output, document write only you can use. We have another way called inner HTML, inner text, that we will see later in the sessions for printing output exactly. What is the problem of document write? To overcome that problem, why I should use other way for printing output. Okay, that we will see later. Right now is the thing, and tomorrow we will continue the variables. Tomorrow we can continue the variables and we will complete it also. Right, differences between let where cons, most important differences are there. Lot of interview questions will be covered again here. We will see in tomorrow's session.